In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handwrite on Google Docs. Whether you're working on a laptop, a desktop with a mouse, or using a device with a stylus, adding a personal touch to your digital documents is easier than you might think. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to open Google Docs in a web browser. Simply head over to Google Docs by typing docs.google.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account credentials. Once you've got your document open, look towards the top menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover over Drawing and then select Plus New. This will open a new drawing window where we can create our handwritten text. In the drawing window, you'll see a toolbar at the top. Here, you want to click on the line icon, which is typically represented by a diagonal line. This step is pivotal because in the list of options that appear, you need to click on Scribble. This option lets you draw freehand, essentially turning your mouse or stylus into a digital pen. Now comes the creative part. Using your mouse, stylus, or touchscreen, draw your handwriting on the blank canvas. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. This tool allows for some practice runs. If you're using a mouse, it might take a bit of getting used to. But with a little patience, you'll get the hang of it. If sketching with a stylus or a touchscreen device, you'll find it quite intuitive, almost as if you're writing with a pen on paper. Once you're satisfied with your handwritten masterpiece, move your attention to the top right corner of the drawing dialog box. You'll see a button labeled Save and Close. Go ahead and click that. This action will automatically insert your handwritten creation into your Google Doc. And there you have it. You've just added a personal handwritten touch to your digital document. It's a simple process that adds a unique element to any document. Perfect for when you want to highlight sections, add a personal note, or create a signature look. Remember, the more you practice, the better your digital handwriting will appear. So, don't shy away from experimenting within the drawing tool to get the style and flow that suit you best. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this step-by-step guide easy to follow, and that you're now ready to enhance your Google Docs with some personal flair. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy handwriting!